What's going on, folks? I want to make this video to show you what was wrong with your vehicle. If for some reason your gas hand keeps jumping around, or if it's not reading correctly, sometimes you can like fill your car all the way up and your gas hand may go to full, then it may jump all the way back down saying that you're empty or anywhere in between pretty much. The problem that you're having is not that something's wrong with your gas hand itself, is that your actual gas hand float, which is what this is right here on your fuel pump, is bad. This right here pretty much comes up with the amount of gas that's in your gas tank. So as you fill up your gas tank, if say example the fluid's right here, this hand should be right here, which is going to show a reading actually on your gas hand that you see inside of your vehicle. So when this right here basically goes bad, this hand right here will cause your gas hand and your vehicle to jump all the way around. And unfortunately on most of these vehicles, to get to your actual gas float right here, your gas hand float, you actually have to pretty much get to your actual fuel pump itself, which is what this is right here. This is actually a fuel pump that comes out of your vehicle. So to get to this actual gas hand float right here, you actually have to get to your actual fuel pump itself. And so on here, if you can see right here, the guy that was working on this one kind of broke the little sending unit right here trying to get it out. But to get this one out, you see this little part right here, you just want to press down on that. When you press down on that, you want to take your float all the way down. See if I can get it like that. Then what you're going to be doing is pressing, I'm going to take this one out because it's already broken. But basically to slide out this sending unit, you can see right here is a little piece right you can press down on. You press down that and it allows you to slide out. On some it's going to be different, but for most of them it's about the same. Press down this right here, you should be able to slide this whole piece out. It shouldn't be broken up in one piece. This one, if you look right here, you'll have like a little notch that's below this end right here. So what you want to do is take like a screwdriver. Okay, if you can see right here, this little notch right here was behind that piece. See how it's sliding past it? Now I just press down with a screwdriver and I did that. You just want to slide it over. It was on the other side of this one. I'm not going to press it back over. It's kind of hard to get it with this camera, but it just, I pressed down on this piece right here. Or if you want, you can kind of pull up on this part. Either way it goes, you just want to get this to go underneath this one. So once you do that, you'll then be able to just slide your hose. So then you can replace your actual float unit right here. So like I said, what I had to press down on this one was this little piece that's right at the back right here. I pressed down on that to get it past that little piece right there. That's what's holding this one in. And once you do that, then you should be able to go ahead and purchase you an actual new float arm like this that you can reinstall. Like I said, your plug-in is coming back here. So on different fuel pumps it may be a little bit differently. So just look at how your actual plug-in goes onto yours before you disconnect it. But once again, this is what your problem is for some reason your gas hand inside your vehicle keeps on moving where it's not supposed to be at. Like if you fill up, instead of it showing full, it's showing empty. Alright, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.